Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to insert flourish in Microsoft Publisher. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a Publisher document. Now we want to insert flourish in this document. Go to the insert menu. Then we can see here many options. We select the page parts option. Then we can see here many page parts. Then you find the flourish page parts. Now I select this flourish to insert, and we can see we insert the flourish very easily. You can write or add text, anything. Now I select this title text and write our title. You can add the subtitle. You can increase this size or decrease, anything. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.